hi everyone. Today we have very interesting people sitting with us, very respected people sitting with us. We have Ms. Shalini Vaid, who is the author of the Mutiny biography of respected Mr. Mahendra Nathani. And we have Mr. Mahendra Nathani himself sitting with us today. He is the owner and CEO of Toyota International Brands, and it's a privilege and honor to have both of them together on one platform today here. So, firstly, I want to ask Ms. Shalini, ma'am, can you please tell us something about yourself first before we take this forward? Because we want to know the author who has written such a beautiful biography.
Thank you so much. And definitely, I would love to tell about myself. I have been into business development field since last 20 years, and I'm based at Ahmedabad, Gujarat since very long. Besides business development specialist, I have been into writing. You can say since my college days, I graduated from Miranda College, Delhi University, and after that, I started my career in writing. Also, I was writing for a lot of magazines, and I did work for a lot of websites, for a lot of companies. I won a lot of competitions, and gradually it became more of a hobby for almost 5-6 years. But then I felt that everyone was telling me that writing is what you should focus on, because this is something you love to do. So I started writing along with my work going on globally, and last 3 years I have been more focused on biography writing. And biography I started because I felt that there are a lot of people, not only film stars, not only sports people, everyone is struggling, everyone is working hard. So I felt that there should be something, a platform where people can share their life stories and how they have struggled. So I started this, and I'm very fortunate that I got Mr. Nathani's biography, because he has been a very what you call eye opener for me. When I started writing, I felt that this is something very it's something which I would love to do, and I'm very lucky to write his biography, and I feel that this is a story which will be an inspiration for generations to come.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, what exactly, can you tell us something about the biography of Mr. Mahendra Nathani, respected Mr. Mahendra Nathani? What is it all about?
See, the mutiny, as the name suggests, is a battle. It's a battle within the human being also, and with the external world also. Mr. Mahendra Nathani, as we have already mentioned, he is a very different persona. He is a person who has struggled a lot in his life, and he has come up in a very big way despite a lot of hassles in his life. He has fought a lot of, you can say, battles. So we decided to give the name The Mutiny, because the story is about a person who never took no for an answer. He always tried to come up with some sort of solution for all the problems which he faced, and he has fought against all the hindrances in his life. So the mutiny is basically the story of a person who has become successful, who has reached a level despite many hassles, many hurdles in his life. So it's something which I have portrayed with his support to bring across something which will be a motivation. And people normally get very disappointed in a very short period of time. They leave what they are doing, they leave their passions. But Mr. Nathani is what you can say, a role model for such people. So this is what it's all about.
Wow, that's amazing. I think it's going to be an interesting book to definitely read for the youth, for the youngsters especially, to get inspired.
Yes.
So I would really want to know Mr. Nathani's reaction on this. So Mr. Nathani, how do you feel about the biography? What was your reaction when you came across the biography?
First, I'm very much thankful to Charlie ji. She was appreciating me a lot. Like, see, since 15 years, many authors was, offering me to write my biography. Reason behind my professional life and my many battles with many state governments and central governments. And I never tried myself, to highlight everything online or through print media or electronic media. Whatever I was doing, I was working, and many hurdles became in between. I faced them. I faced them successfully and made it successfully in my favor, my company favor, my firm favor, my family favor. During lockdown, I came back last year, 18th, or it was 18th of March. I came back Delhi from Daman. The same day I was planning to go to Shimla. Same day, same night. My wife called me, Mahendra, after 2-3 days, lockdown may be declared to come back to Gwalior. And I was not aware about this COVID and what is happening. Rather than I was selling liquors only everywhere. Chalni ji wrote me an email during lockdown, during weekend of March, that Mr. Nathani, I have gone through your profile, etc., etc. So would like to write a biography on your life. So are you in? Then I gone through the profile of Chalni ji, and I found her as a perfect writer after a couple of days. Then I wrote her, yes ma'am, you can write biography, and whatever documents or whatever things you need, I'm ready to give you. And because of that lockdown period of March, April and May, I was able to give her all the informations, including all the documentations. Yeah, 24th of May, when I submitted all of the documents, including everything, to Shalini ji, and 24th of May, and immediately I started coming back at Delhi from Gwalior, and I started working again. I went to Himachal, Chandigarh, Haryana, Delhi, and then Punjab, then Goa, and then Mumbai, and then and she was busy with writing, and time to time was calling me. Mr. Nathani, send me this, send me that, send me this, send this proof, that proof, this proof, and that proof. Hundreds of, sometimes, but I never, frustrated. Whatever I said, but she said, how can I believe? Send me a proof, send me a proof, send me this proof, that proof. I said, okay. Ma'am, you can, I said many times, ma'am, you can see online. You can see on Google, you can see on so and so social sites. She said, no, I want pakka proof. I said, okay, bhaiya. Then I was sending her that proofs. Proofs regarding documentation, what I did 40 years back, what I did 45 years back, and I was sending her proofs, and proofs like, and professionally, like I got offer from State Trading Corporation of India Limited. It's a Government of India enterprises. I was very much, I was very much happy that I got it during 2003, and 2004 I signed an agreement with STC. It's a unit of Government of India for import and export liquors in 10 countries. In 10 countries, and that countries is also like US, like Russia, like part of Europe, and including Scotland, and France, Germany, Argentina, like this. So I was happy. कि अब बन गया भैया बहुत बड़ा पैसे वाला. And STC provided me 80 crore rupees for importing and exporting by the way of letter of credits.
Okay.
And after 1 year, means during 2005, STC called me, Mr. Nathani, you resign. I said, why? He said, no, there is a pressure from other industries. So 2005 when I left Delhi, एक जनरल का टिकट लेके 40 रुपए का दादर अमृतसर में बैठ के ग्वालियर गया. साइकिल भी बिक गया था, मोटरसाइकिल भी बिक गया. Like this is my life. Hundreds of hurdles every time I face. And when Shalini ji wrote this biography and I have gone through first, tears came from my eyes. मैंने देखा ये तो बिल्कुल वही लिख दिया जो मैं बोला, मैडम वही लिख दिया बिल्कुल. And she expressed like miracle. And after then we met Invincible and Mr. Ajay ji.
Right.
So this is the story, and I am happy that people will take advantage when we'll go through my biography. This is not a matter of everyone should go through my biography only. This is a matter people can take advantage. People can run in a right way. This biography will help people like business class, like service class, like youngsters, like middle-aged people, like lower class people, that how to make success. Any kind of hurdles comes, people should have hundreds of patience. People should have hundreds of patience, and then only success comes. So this is biography issues.
That's so true. That's very well explained, sir. Very well explained. So, Ms. Ved, I really want to understand, when did you first realize that you wanted to write a biography, and that too for Mr. Nathani?
See, as I told you, it was almost 2-3 years ago when I realized that, when I was talking to a lot of people, they said, I have done this in my life. I have done so many things in my life. I have done this. And many people used to express that I wish there was a platform where I could tell my story. And I could also become a celebrity. So I said, why are we only focusing on people who are in the eyes of the media and who are already successful? But even successful people, they have a story, because there are a lot of biographies which are made on them. But nobody thinks about the common people, because everyone has a story. Everyone has struggles, a lot of battles in their life, a lot of problems in their life. Despite that, they become successful. They become they try to overcome them. So this gave me an idea, and I started connecting on LinkedIn with people. A lot of people I discussed with them, and fortunately, I got response from many people. And Mr. Mahendra Nathani, of course, when I heard a little bit about his life and everything, I felt that this is the right biography, which will give me a huge leverage in what you can say globally, because his story, his life is something which is very, very different, because he has focused on success, of course, but people's goal are more on earning money. But his goal is not only earning money, his focus is for his principles. If he believes something, he will fight for it. He will not sit down and like a coward. And he's a very strong person. So I felt that this is something which people are really looking for. And especially during the coronavirus period, people were really disappointed. And I felt that once this story comes up, once people read this biography, they will realize that there are many people in the world who have done a lot of things, but no one knows about them. So Mr. Mahendra Nathani's biography definitely needs to be told to people. So that is why I started.
Okay, that's amazing. So, Mr. Nathani, if I want to ask you, what is that one best incident that you would like to share with us?
The best incident, I tell you, you're talking about personally or officially?
Any that is best
professionally.
that you think. Yeah.
My best incident, it was, when my elder son born. And I tell you, I was not having a 5 rupee in my pocket. When he born, it was 9 o'clock at night, 9:05 something around. And nurse came that, साहब आपके बेटा हो. It was the best, when I was hearing that, I got like, it was a miracle for me. In fact, for my wife also. She was inside the hospital, and it was the best thing, I tell you. And I am so lucky when Shatak came. And after that, I never see behind. Always got success.
That's
I'm sorry.
No, that's an emotional and a very, that's indeed, that's one of the best occasions of your life, and very emotional occasions. I would put it across in this arena. So, Shalini, how long did it took you to write this whole book?
See, as Mr. Nathani also said, we started discussing in last year, and as soon as I received, because he was very prompt in sending me all the photographs, documents, everything, and points regarding his biography. So it took me almost 2.5 to 3 months to write the biography. But in between, because of the lockdown and lot of things happening, there were many things which we needed to discuss and meet personally. So we could meet only in, I think, around Diwali, prior to Diwali. So we discussed a lot of things, and of course, his hospitality was very good. So during that time period, I finished writing all the points. So you can say by end of 2020, everything was ready, because I did not want to hurry up and just write something run-of-the-mill story. I just wanted it to be, with it to be very, very elaborate, very specific also, and at the same time to bring up all the emotions in his life. So you can say it took me around 3 to 4, 5 months, you can say, for that.
Okay. And so how was your overall experience with Miss Shalini Vaid as an author?
Shalini ji, she is a perfect professional lady. And sometimes, when she was calling me and I was, like sitting in the car, traveling like 900,000 kilometers from Mathura to, Allahabad, and I was sleeping in the car, and she, became angry. Why you were not receiving my phone? I said, ma'am, I was sleeping. And so many times this kind of, and whenever I committed, I will do this, I will send this information, or I will send this. And after 7 days, after 8 days or 10 days, she was asking me, are you really serious? Can you spare any time, little time? I said, I am busy. She said, मैं फालतू हूँ क्या? I said, I'm in an interior in Kosikala near Mathura, and where this network is not proper, like, man. She said, no, 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 नहीं पागल हूँ कि आपका लिख रही हूँ सब ये. I need this information. So she's a perfect professional, author, I found, and as a man, as a woman, she is perfect. She is very much perfect. Yeah, she is a good lady.
So, Ms. Shalini, what do you like to do when you are not writing? On a personal note.
Pardon, can you repeat it?
Yeah, we wanted to know, what do you like to do when you're not writing?
Oh, of course. I love cooking. Cooking is again something which I love to do, and of course, I really love to watch movies. Definitely, everyone watches, but I, since I am mostly very busy and in meeting people and writing, so whenever I'm free and I don't feel like doing any writing work, then I watch some movies which are really brilliant because it gives me a lot of ideas. Right. And again, at the same time, I really enjoy. And of course, besides cooking, I love to travel also. So traveling is again my passion. So I go to the locations which I have still not gone, and that is how I enjoy my life.
Wow. So Mr. Nathani, has someone close to you ever used you in any way for their own personal gain?
Acha, my wife. Acha. Yeah.
Many times.
Or koi. Yeah.
I know him much better than he knows.
Yes.
That was a very straight answer. Okay. That's interesting. So, do you have friends and family on your payroll otherwise?
Friends and family?
On your payroll. Yeah. Do you have friends and family working on your payroll?
Yeah. Many people. Yeah.
Okay.
Many people. Yeah.
I'm sure it's a big family. Toyota is a big family indeed. So you have a lot of people who are working together.
Toyota, in fact, is a big name. I have made, since 14 years, I'm branding. Earlier, when I launched first time Toyota International Premium Packaged Drinking Water, in Delhi, people were saying, "Abey, nakli hai ye to." This is a duplicate Toyota. So I faced hundreds of problems, like initially 10 years back. But nowadays it has become a very big name. Now subject to how I make it successfully in future.
Right.
How I make it successfully in future. I have, I have got registration in Industrial Entrepreneur Memorandum for packaged drinking water, 60 crores rupees project. Then distillery project of 150 crores. And then consultancy projects of 100 crores. Let's see how I can convert it into a big organization. Let's see. Unless until God will not help me, will difficult.
Of course.
And no doubt, needs good team, good people. Yeah.
That's wonderful. Like it's such a wonderful conversation with both of you. Ms. Shalini, is there something that you want to say to your readers whom you are looking forward for the biography to be picked by? So is there something you want to put it across to them?
Yeah. Yes. Actually, as I mentioned earlier, again, I would love to tell my readers that people who all are reading The Mutiny, I'm sure they would love this book, and they will definitely feel that why was I so much depressed? Why was I so much disappointed in my life? Here is a man who has crossed his the prime of his life, and still he's fighting, and he's on the still on the road to what you call success. And definitely I would love to become like him. So if people really, my readers, I would like to tell them that once you start reading this book, you will not put it down till you complete the book. And I'm sure that you would come forward and say that I want to become like him, and I want you to write my biography once I become successful. So this is what I want to tell my readers, and I'm really very happy that this book is coming across to people, and I want all of them to read it and realize that life is not very easy, life is very hard, but we have to fight for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nathani, for taking out time for this. Thank you so much, Ms. Shalini. And people, the Mutiny biography of Mr. Respected Mahendra Nathani is now available on Amazon, Kindle, Flipkart. So on all the multiple stores as well. So please buy your copy and leave a review, because that is what Shalini ma'am is definitely looking forward for as an author from all of us. So please do read and leave a review on the book. Thank you so much, and I really wish you safe and sound since the COVID-19 is taking a toll on everyone. So I just hope safety and security for both of you, and just take care of yourself. And thank you so much for taking out time for this. I'll take
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'll take an
Same
idea.
here. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Okay.